मध्य प्रदेशांतल्यान आयिल्ल्या पर्यटकांच्या 3 जणांच्या टोळयेन बेतालबाती एका चलयेचेर आगळीक केल्ली. ते दुबावीत आरोप्यांक कोलवा पुलिशेन अटक केल्या. गोंय राज्याचे पुलीस मुखेली तशेंच पुलीस महासंचालक जसपाल सिंग हांणी पत्रकारांक ह्या संदर्भात म्हायती दिल्या. RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
South District Police, Madgaon has done a commendable job by detecting the heinous crime of sexual assault and robbery on a young couple, in which a young woman was sexually assaulted and both of them were robbed also. They were assaulted and threatened also. The incident happened on 24th evening around 9:15, whereby three men from Indore, which we subsequently came to know that they are from Indore. They had robbed and sexually assaulted one young girl. All the 3 accused have been arrested and they have admitted to their offence, and the rest of the investigation is in progress. In this particular case, it was a commendable work of teamwork led by SP South, Mr. Anand Bhavas. In fact, some police station of North Goa also, crime branch also. It was a perfect example of teamwork. Since the case was very heinous, very serious, so the entire police department worked like a team, and the case has now been conclusively worked out. Any questions?
Name, sir?
Name of the accused? One accused is Ishwar Makwana, the other one is Sanju.
No, sir, complete name, sir.
Haji?
Complete name.
Ishwar Makwana.
Makwana.
Yes.
Age?
Age should be around 24. And Sanju, he is around 25. And Ram, Sanju, son of Dhananjay Pal. And Ram, son of Santosh. They are around 24, 25, all 3 of them.
All were visitors to Goa or?
Yes, they have visited before also, few years back, and interesting thing is that they have been involved in crime in Indore also. One of them was involved in a case of theft, rape, and interestingly, subsequently he married the girl who has decamped with him, who has eloped with him.
The crime was happened in Goa only or some other state?
In Goa.
In Goa.
In Goa only, Betalbati. The involvement of these people, that was in Indore only, in the suburbs of Indore only.
Right now, they were working somewhere here? Or
No, they came as visitor only. They came here on 23rd by a local train and in a general coach.
All 3 or only 2?
Pardon?
All 3 of them came on 23rd or only 2?
No, all 3 of them came together. They know each other because they've been working with each other. One of them is a student of 9th class, and Sanju is a teacher. He is teaching students of 9th, 10th standard, and Ishwar is just a casual worker. He is doing the work of beldari.
But one of they had all come together.
Yes, they have come.
And how they have landed at Betalbati?
Basically being tourists, so they had just gone there.
Education.
In fact, they were short of money, so they decided that they should rob somebody, and they in fact stole one quetta also just to commit this offence. The fisherman weapon which is used by instrument which is used by the fisherman. So that means their intention was there to commit the robbery and the sexual assault.